Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So let's jump into the project, guys. Let me show you what we'll be using. Of course my dog is like, oh, never mind. Okay, so guys, this is what we're going to be using. Let's start over here with this tag sign. I did take it outside and I spray painted it in pink. Okay, I'm going to be making, what we're going to be making in this project, guys, is a welcome tag sign for someone that I know that lives nearby. So that is our project for today, a welcome sign. I took this tag sign outside, spray painted it in pink. So I just kind of brought out some stuff to embellish, but I am going to be using this welcome galvanized sign. I think it came in this, you can get it at the Dollar Tree, and I'm not sure. I think Spring comes in here and Bunny, but we're just going to use the welcome. Then I just kind of pulled out some of these pearl stickers from the crafters section in the pale pink, and of course my own pearls. And then these pearls, guys, are from the Dollar Tree. These are the large ones. Like I said, I love pearls, I love diamonds, I love gems, I just love all that glam stuff. Okay. So, I cut out some flowers. We're going to be Mod Podging these. I just cut out some of them. They look like peony. So, I'm going to be embellishing the tag with some of these. And how I got those, guys, the Dollar Tree has this gift bag. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous, guys? Now, on one side, it has the gold foil. On the other side, it doesn't. But I didn't even use that, guys. I cut the flowers out from the side of the bag. See? Over here. I cut the flowers out from the side of the bag. This is such a beautiful bag, guys. So that is all we'll be using to embellish this, guys. You're not going to believe how this is going to come out. I'm excited about it, so let's get started. Let's jump right into the video. Okay, guys. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use a wet sponge. Okay, this works for me very well. Guys, whatever works for you guys when you're Mod Podging, do that. This is what works for me. So what I need to decide, now this is a little bit wet still, so what I need to decide is exactly how I'm placing these flowers. So even if I went this way, yeah, okay. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to dampen that paper. And it's okay if it curls up, I'll just unwind it when I get ready to place it. So we want to dampen that paper because what that does is it helps to adhere to the Mod Podge a lot easier, guys. So now I'm going to be using the matte Mod Podge. So I got this at the Dollar Tree and this was the only one they had. I use either one, the matte or the glossy, unless I'm really doing farmhouse stuff. So today we'll be using the matte. We're going to place this big one down first. I'm going to lay that down. So I am going to put this one overlapping that one. Okay. Just take a second for that to lay down. That dries. So I'm going to place this one right here. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at this. I'm just going to put little dabs of Fix-All adhesive, guys. The Fix-All adhesive, you can get this at the Dollar Tree. Yeah, I usually get mine in the auto section, but I don't know, every Dollar Tree is different. So we put some dabs of glue right here in the front, but we're also going to line them up on the top, and I'll show you what I mean. So every once in a while, you're going to go back and lay these down, because I don't know why they're giving us a little bit of a hard time laying this down. But you're almost there. Okay, so aren't they beautiful, guys? Let me show you what we have so far. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Even though it has to dry, it's beautiful. So now we're going to glue some of these pearls. I'll just put some in here, and then we'll start gluing these down. Okay, see how pretty that looks, guys? Let me show you. That's absolutely beautiful, isn't that? So now we are going to do that on the top half. But what I would like to do is start embellishing the bottom before I stand that up. So I have a container here with some gems. So I'd like to grab some of those. This one. So I had some pearls that I glued to this mesh wrap. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? What we're going to do with this is we're going to decorate that V on the bottom with this mesh wrap, with the rose mesh. So I'd like to use some of these wraps up too. So let's see what we have here. Just along the sides here. So I'm going to turn this over to the side. This is how that's looking, guys. Isn't that beautiful on the bottom there? Okay, so now I just want to do the edges with this leftover wrap that I got from Beebeecraft. I just cut it into strips, guys. That's all I did. So I want to use it up because I don't like to waste things. I'm going to start on the edge. Now we're going to place Okay guys, so this is what we have so far. We're not done yet, but this is what we have so far. Isn't that absolutely beautiful, guys? Okay, we do have glue strings we gotta clean up, but now we're gonna stand this up and we're going to line up some of those bigger pearls along the top. And we're gonna use this to stand the sign up. Let's see, I'll place something in front of it so it doesn't fall over. We're going to repeat the same step, guys. We're going to put some little dabs of the Fix-All adhesive along the top. Then we're going to start gluing the pearls down. Guys, I think I might be able to get this small little bead there. Lay this down for a moment until I just give that a minute for that hot glue to set. Okay guys, so this is what that looks like so far. I'm trying to get all the glue strings, but this is what it looks like so far. So now we're going to figure out the placement of the welcome. Okay, we can either go straight with it. I don't know if you could see that. We can either go straight with it or we could angle it like this. I don't know, I think it's better if you angle it a little bit. You can either put it on the top or we can angle it this way. I think I want to go ahead and angle it like this. So let's glue it down. So this is what we have so far, guys. So I'm just going to do one other thing and then we're done. Okay guys, just trying to get some of these glue strings off. Alright, Look at this. Look at this. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous, guys? And this is not something that you can use in the spring. This is something you can just leave on there, just how much of a glam girl you are. Like, I would leave this. I love this sign. Look at the pearls. Just look at the, I mean, it just looks absolutely gorgeous, guys. So, thank you for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click like, share, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in another video.